Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. And those people who know me know I also trade with the Ninja Forex traders. Today I'm very honoured. I'm very honoured to have a very special guest, Nick, who also is a trader inside the Ninjas. Good morning to you, Nick. It's very early for you. Do you like to say something?
Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you may be.
I see from your background, it's very black, dark. Can I ask, what time is it in the UK right now?
It's currently 4:39 a.m. in the morning.
So what are you doing up at that time?
Well, I entered into my trade a couple of hours ago. It's a bit slow, but literally within the next hour, I need to prepare myself for work. So yeah.
You're learning a skill of patience. Congratulations.
A lot of patience, yes.
Yeah, now, for the people that have not seen this before, this is part of the daily show. Now, the daily show, it's all about helping people understand how I trade in the Forex Traders Group. And recently what I've been doing is the previous day, what actually happened, but I'm testing out a strategy called the money line. And what the money line, just for the people who don't know, it's not even been released yet. It's that good until potentially, if it stacks up in January, inside our 500 pips per week club. And that's for another discussion another day. But today, I'm going to see the results purely of this morning. Now, depending where you are around the world, from market open late UK time last night, wherever you are, it might be your morning or afternoon, up until now. So I'm going to discuss gold, silver, and 10 other trading instruments, all known as indices. So 12 trading instruments in total. Sound good, Nick?
Yeah, no problem, mate.
Yeah, you may have saw a video yesterday. So today we hit in the morning 3,200 pips with indices. Now, let's say that again, 3,200 pips with indices. And the afternoon, my time, London Open, we had 608 pips on Forex. But you're correct. This is only the 500 pips per week club. But I have, guess what? I have a dream. For some people, 500 pips is a lot, but my dream is every one of us can achieve it. But we all start with a purpose, a reason why. And when I do mention people, it's all about finding their reason why. That's right.
From 500 to 5,000.
Let's just see. Because yesterday we had 3,200 in the morning.
Yeah, the sky's
we smashed the weekly target 6 times in one morning. If people out there considering joining the 500 pips per week club, I really ask you to consider before we close the doors.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now, when I literally look at the chart, and look at this morning, or since the market's opened, and what we're going to do is we're only going to count what I said. Here we go. Change on music. Share my screen. Right now.
One misconception of meditation.
Yeah. Start off with gold, ladies and gentlemen. So you will see either a line like this. If it's green, you buy. If this line is not green, if it's red, you sell. That's it. We have one other indicator called the Ninjacator on. Now, that comes if you're part of the Ninja team. If you're not part of the Ninja team, you can still access the 500 pips per week club by contacting me direct. I know not everybody wants to be part of something else in your private mentoring. Now, getting back to this, you also see me using a white money line. It's a dynamic money line. Yeah. So the rule so far, if it's green, you buy. If it's red, you sell. If while it's going up and it changes from a green to red, 2 candles, you exit the trade. Simple. Nick, do you understand that?
Yes, yes.
Simple, clear, effective.
Yeah, the 2 candle rule.
Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you just by showing you yesterday. Yesterday, we had a green line. Green line. Buy. It goes up. Hits a high. You can exit at any time you wish. But it does go up a lot.
Can you turn that beat up a little bit?
And I'd recommend you jump out when it's high as that. Then it started reversing. If you see here, the first 2 candle rule was there. There. But I'm on a 15. Yesterday I was on a 30 minute.
There's 2 instructions.
You would have got the first 2 candle rule.
I need you to follow.
There. But exited the trade there yesterday.
When I say red light, I need you to stop. When
There.
I say green light,
Green
I
line,
need
see
you
that?
to go.
Watch this. Green, red come down. Green go up. So think of today. And go through this list here on the right hand side here. Yeah. We're going to drop down to the 15 minute. Heikinashi candles. Find the green lines, find the red lines.
I want you to move like this.
Find the green line. Green line.
Yeah.
Into the trade.
I want you to move like this.
There. 7 pips profit. Only a small amount. 7 pips profit. 7 pips profit. I'm into my calculator. 7 pips profit.
And that's exiting on the second red candle there. Yeah.
Stop. Get back in again. Because we have a green line on the money line.
Yeah.
Stay in the trade, stay in the trade, stay in the trade. Second candle rule. Start here, exit the trade. 7 for previous trade, plus this one,
No.
33, which is 40 pips in total, yes?
We know we've all kindergarten people.
40
We
pips.
know what a red light
This
is.
morning, where people see it's a slow
When
session,
I say red light, stop.
gold goes to silver. Here we go. 1, 2. Entering it's actually there. 211 pips. Goes down, goes back up. Green light.
I want you to move like this.
1, 2.
Now when
I finished there.
I want you to move like this.
43.
Hit the strobe.
So far, 294 pips.
Hit the strobe.
Thank you very much. Standard & Poor's 500. What color is that line?
That's green.
Bye, bye, bye. 2 candle rules. You get back in.
Yeah. Pull out there.
Boom. Exit the trade. Starts here. 5 pips. That's all it is. But it's a bit different. Indices are a bit different. So say +5. Depends on your broker. That could be 51. It could be 500. Next one. Green.
Yeah.
Buy. 2 candles out.
Perfect.
Absolutely perfect. 6 looks.
Just pulling it. I'm filling it with the groove. Keep it moving.
Ah, we now go down into here. It's red. 2 candle rule. 11.
Yep.
Dow Jones, US 30. Green light. It says 6, it's a lot more than that. 4. We know it's more than 4 pips, but we'll just stick with 4.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stop losing trades. It's time to start taking action. It's time to enter the matrix of Wonderland trading like Jeff.
Yeah. Time to get in on the second candle and get out on the second candle.
Absolutely. How easy is this? Doesn't look very much, then you look at it in real time. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Stop losing. 2 candle rule, exit. How many pips is that? Can you read?
That's
555.
500.
That's up to 181 pips, ladies and gentlemen. And it's only just begun. Green, do you agree?
Yeah.
1, 2. If we're on normal candles, that would be the second candle. 202. Already we've smashed the 500 pips per day club. We're now up to 1,083.
Not bad, not bad.
UK 100, known as the FTSE 100. Green changes to red. 1, 2. Potentially get out there or there. That says 3 pips. We know it's more than 3, but we'll just go with these numbers. And then goes red. We've got to ask it, test it again. Guess what? I would enter there for a sell. Boom. 2 candle rule. Enter there. 3 pips. Again, I don't believe it's 3 pips, but we're just going with these numbers. Euro 50. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Is anybody here just getting a little excited? 16 pips. It's the red zone. It goes the other way. 2 candle rule. 3 pips. Again, I don't believe it. Never mind. It's all I'm adding. The Japanese yen, the Nikkei 225. Ladies and gentlemen, watch this one go. Are you ready? Nick, are you there?
Yes, yes, mate.
Count this one here. Ready? Here we go. Let go of those beliefs. Let go of those beliefs.
184.
184. Aussie 200. Here we go. Two candle rule. Boom. 365.
Yeah.
So this morning's session, you just hit 1,657. 1,657.
Yeah, can see that okay.
1657. That's morning only, the slow Asian range that everybody talks about. Using the trade like Jeff, money line, boom shagala, that's what's starting next month if the testing goes well.
Yeah, definitely.
You have to be in the 500 pips per week club then to access. And later on today, I'll be doing the Forex experiences as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Think of all those beliefs just getting lost, destroyed with this system. If it's green, you buy. If it's red, you sell. Yeah. Easy peasy. Look, green, red, close, two candle rule. It doesn't get any easier than this, does it, mate?
No, that's right. And for some people, it's just getting used to having multiple trades open, you know.
Even if you just have one.
Yeah.
One's fine.
Maybe two, if you're really comfortable, maybe three, but I wouldn't recommend more than three, probably not more than two, really.
But if yesterday was 3,000 pips, today's 1,600 pips. I mean, I couldn't stop you doing more than 2 days a week, could I? When it was 3 days still to go. Monday, the slow day, the 3,200 pips. Monday, the slow day. We've still got New York. We've still got London. Can you imagine what it's like with New York gets hold of this?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So for the people out there that are fed up, I've got to be honest, there are some people out there are fed up. Have a look at the 500 pips a week club. Yeah, we know it's not free. Yeah, 2 ways to access it. come in the inner circle or become a private client. I can't stop you, whatever way it is. I know there's many people that contacted me through YouTube. There's many people contacting me from our Forex for Beginners group. I don't know where people are finding me, but it's becoming busy. And I'm not officially going to open it until the 1st of January. That's if it still works out. And the plan is to close it a week later, because then it'll be a closed door system. So it's only going to be open for a week for the people that are really serious about trading the 500 pips per week club. And the last 2 days, I don't know about you, Nick, but can you see the power of this system?
Yeah, definitely.
You just take your money line and you close it when it turns red. As simple as that. There's no point in getting confused. Is it this candle? Is that candle? What does the candle say? When it turns red, you exit the trade. Now, I'm going to stop there, but I'm just going to quickly, very quickly, not even did this yet. Let's look at exotics. You know exotics? We can trade exotics.
Yeah, vaguely, yeah.
Exotics are things like US dollar, Mexican peso. Yeah, these move as well. 268 pips, just like that. Boom.
Yeah.
This one here. Yeah. So this one here, look, the candles are red, it's green. So guess what? You don't enter the trade, do you? Green line, red cap, not enter the trade. Red line, it's still above the line. No, it's above the line. So now we've got a green one into the trade. It's that easy.
Yeah, yeah.
2 candle rule, exit up, neighbours halfway, 59 pips. We've not even spoken about this yet. The Singapore dollar. Green, don't enter. Red, boom.
Yeah.
2 candle rule. Yeah, 4 pips, not a lot. But if you stayed in the trade, you could do all this against the next candle, 2 candle rule.
Yeah. So obviously, just to recap, if the line's red and the candles are below the line, it's a sell. If the line is green and the candles are above, then it's a buy. And then you exit on the 2 candle rule.
It's a bit like the matrix, but it's just one line.
Yeah.
Okay, could you get in early up here? Could you get in early up here for a sell? Potentially. And I couldn't stop you, but for me, it's all about safety, account protection.
Myself, I wouldn't have got in until it's below the line.
Yeah.
Which was probably about the 4th candle, the one that's definitely underneath.
When look at something, even this morning, Great British Australian dollar. Yeah, lots of, see when you see wicks like this, up and down. Okay, let's do normal candles. Yeah, for a minute. Yes, green, 2 candles, exit and profit. But it's wicky. Something like this, be careful of. This a profit that may come down strong and strong back up into the trade. 2 candle rule, 1, 2, done. 10 pips. But the people that are in their 10 pips a day club, you've achieved it using money line. Simple, follow the red or the green. So gone are the days, the music says, gone are the days where people are struggling. It's all about setting people free. And thinking back to what you're trading, consider this also on crypto. Yeah. What color is that there?
Red.
Candle rule there.
Yep, that's 483 pips.
Would you be disappointed if you did that when you were sleeping or your morning?
Hell no.
As I've not even spoken about Bitcoin. We're only talking about 500 pips a week, but we've always smashed it in one trade. Just following a simple red or green line. That's what I'm bringing to the table. That's what I'm offering if people ready to join the 500 pips per week club.
Yeah.
How to access it will be announced at a later date. and it's not free. We're open for 7 days. If people want in, they can get in. The 1st of January to the 7th. I know people are many people are queuing to get in, but it's not open, even if they want to. Is there anything else you want me to look at just now, mate?
Just quickly look at the gold. Obviously, I'm in on that one at the moment.
Okay, like gold here went up, you would exit there, enter there.
Yeah.
Exit there.
Yeah, is this on my
normal candles? Now you see what's happened, right? This here, something called a multiple weekly POCs. So this is something I did in a higher time frame. Yeah, just looking at the trend, and this was a weekly. Look at this here. From this point here, this is the POC for the week. So at the moment, it's in this consolidative type state. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's not really shown. So you are in that, mate, and sometimes you're up 1 pip, down 3 pips, whatever it may be. But
that's where I'm stuck in limbo at the moment.
Yeah, so there's no volume. So there's 2 red candles. There's 2 red candles. But you may have gotten in at the wrong time. Maybe because I know you're helping me test out the money line. It's just there. Anyway, let's call it a day there. This is the brief introduction to money line. The other things that I know, I hit the 50 EMA line, rejected off it. It come up and rejected off this multiple weekly POC line. And it looks like it's heading potentially towards this 50. Like that's like a magnet. They perhaps might meet over here. Have a great day, and as I say to you and everybody, I will see you at the top.
All right. Take care.
Yeah, and try and get some sleep and enjoy your day at work. Bye for now.
Yeah, I'll try. Thank you.
Bye, welcome.